Okay.
My time.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
It's
you.
good to meet you. You guys do OnlyFans?
Yeah.
Yes. How could you guess?
Well, I mean, I know, but I mean, it's pretty obvious with the way you guys are dressed. But as besides the point, I just want to ask: are you gonna call in the guy first, or what's going on? I don't know, like the schedule of what's happening.
Call the guy.
Are you calling him or
What
not?
guy?
Which guy?
अरे बाप रे.
I don't know.
Oh, we were gonna call him, but he could call him.
I'm about to body slam him. I can't get more lit.
Tell him to hurry. Enough. Why? Know their names?
Yeah, you can tell me your names, no problem.
My name's MJ. Emily, Miskif's sister. It's whatever you want to call me. Whatever you find online.
Who's that?
Miskif? He's a just chatting streamer on Twitch.
Oh
Is
damn.
he's more famous than you or no?
It depends on what part of the internet you're on, I guess. But I guess I would say that Miz is pretty famous.
Jackie Romero.
WW.
Nice to meet you.
What else do I say?
Are these like your managers or what?
Yeah.
They're pimps.
Which one? Were you just a cameraman? Who?
She's saying there are pimps.
Who are you?
Manager.
Oh, you work with,
Manager.
you're the manager?
Yes.
For all three? Or you're Jewish? You're Jewish security guard? No, Mazal. What are you doing here, brother? No, Mazal. Wait, have a seat. I want to talk to you for a little bit too. I want to talk to you first.
You want to talk to him
No,
first?
no, on the camera.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
You be able to bench.
Do you want to
Who calls out the?
Oh god.
Well, no, take your hat and the glasses off.
I'm gonna keep the hat on. I like it.
No hat.
I'm not gonna keep the hat on.
Take a
I
hat.
have your hair.
It's okay.
It's so messed up.
Put it back on.
Are you speaking to me because I'm a male and therefore?
No.
intelligent?
I'm not like a complete misogynist. I mean, maybe some views are, but I just want to talk to you. I mean, I wouldn't have asked you to come on here, but you tell me you're Jewish and you're doing obviously certain things I wouldn't agree with. What do you think about that? You have answer the questions a bit.
Wait, are you pro the nation state of Israel?
No, I'm asking you about OnlyFans.
Oh, OnlyFans. Oh, managing
I'm not asking you about
OnlyFans.
Israel. I'm
Ma-
saying what do you? Obviously, that's not in Hashem's favor. So what are you saying?
Well, obviously I have tattoos as well and
No,
other
I'm saying
things
so
that's
you're
not gonna.
completely off the grid.
Yes,
I'm not very religious myself, but I mean,
this generation of people, we've adapted to the society that we live in, and unfortunately now we have to kind of accept this, or we can't survive unless you're gonna live off grid in the forest.
we can't
you have
survive
to
without
sin.
a bunch of like.
Sin.
Wow. Logic सुनो भाई का.
Can't survive unless you're gonna live off grid in the forest.
We can't
you have
survive
to
without
sin.
a bunch of like
Sin.
online whores posting
Sin.
nudity.
Sin, yes.
Why would we not
Well,
be
you
able
whore yourself out too online as well.
Logic. इसे कहते हैं लॉजिक को बुला के मुंह पे दो मुक्के मारना.
But just in
I
a
do
different
what?
way, just not with nudity. You're clothed.
That's not a good point. I don't
Yeah.
pour myself out online. When you say you whore yourself out online,
You sell yourself. Have you ever denied money
No.
or accepted money in order to appear somewhere?
no, I don't take money to appear places. He's not.
Even if he does, there's, it's the equivalence that you're drawing that कि एक इंसान जो अपने कपड़े उतार के सेक्स कर रहा है और एक इंसान लेट्स से फाइनेंस के लिए जाके एक टॉक दे रहा है कहीं पे. There's a vast difference between the two. एक इंसान एक नॉलेज इन्फॉर्मेशन जो एक्वायर्ड है उसको बेच रहा है, एक इंसान अपने शरीर को बेच रहा है. वो भी शरीर को भी सिर्फ नहीं, सेक्स को बेच रहा है. सेक्स को एक्वायर करने के लिए उस इंसान को दुनिया में कोई भी डिग्री, इंफॉर्मेशन, स्किल, किसी भी तरह की मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी उसको ज़िंदगी भर में. कम से कम 4 साल 5 साल एक मेडिसिन की डॉक्टर को जाना पड़ता है. उसके बाद 2-3 साल MD होती है, उसके बाद फिर रेसिडेंस होती है 5 साल की. तुम्हारे रिसर्चर क्या होते हैं? तुम्हारी 3 साल की बैचलर्स करते हैं, 2 साल की मास्टर्स करते हैं, उसके बाद तुम्हारे PhD करते हैं 3-4 साल की. उसके बाद तुम रिसर्चर बनते हो किसी चीज़ में, साइंटिस्ट बनते हो. फिर वो इंसान को दर्जा मिलता है कि हाँ हम तुम्हारी सुन सकते हैं, और उसके लिए अगर थोड़ा सा पैसा ले रहा है. इज इट इक्वलेंट टू एक इंसान जो अपने बेडरूम में बैठ के एक सेक्स ऑब्जेक्ट या कोई भी चीज़ लेके अपने घुसा रहा है बैठ के? मतलब हमें जस्टिफाई करना है. इस जैसे लोगों को कहते हैं भाई दुनिया के कैंसर जो सोसाइटी के ये जो आदमी हैं. तुम किनको बात कर रहे हो? तुम पोच कर रहे हो लड़कियों को जो कि अभी 18, 19, 20 साल की हैं. पैसा दिखा के, चकाचौंध दिखा के, मटेरियलिज्म दिखा के। 18-19 साल का इंसान बहुत ज़्यादा आई थिंक ससेप्टेबल है। इट्स वेरी लाइकली एंड वेरी इजी टू पोच समबडी, चाहे लड़का हो चाहे लड़की हो। एक 18 साल का लड़का, एक 28 साल के लड़के में ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है। सेम इंसान को अगर तुम देखोगे, उसके विचारधाराओं में फ़र्क आ चुका होगा, वो कैसे डिसीजंस मेक कर रहा है उसमें फ़र्क आ चुका होगा, वो कितना सोचता है डिसीजन मेक करने से पहले उसमें बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क आ चुका होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि भाई उसकी ज़िंदगी में अब गहराई आ चुकी है, और दूसरा उसका ब्रेन भी डेवलप हो चुका है टू अ ग्रेट डिग्री, मैच्योरिटी आ चुकी है। एक 18 साल के इंसान की इंपल्सिविटी, लैक ऑफ सेल्फ कंट्रोल जिसे कहते हैं, बहुत हाई होता है। क्यों? क्योंकि तुम्हारा ब्रेन ही पार्ट डेवलप नहीं हुआ जो सेल्फ कंट्रोल या इंपल्सिविटी को नीचे कर पाए बहुत तगड़ी तरह से। तो जितने तुम अगर कोई 15 साल का इंसान उठा लो और तुम देखो उनको जो चीज पसंद आती है वो कैसे उस चीज को रोक नहीं पाते, समा नहीं कर पाते, बहुत ही कम लोग होते हैं। अगर तुम सिंपल 100 का एक रैंडम पॉपुलेशन ले रहे हो 15 साल के 16 साल के बच्चों के, और किसी चीज के लिए वो एक्साइटेड हैं, तो तुम्हें चेहरे पे दिखेगा। सेम चीज तुम अगर एक 28 साल 35 साल के लोगों को देखोगे, वो चीज के लिए एक्साइटेड भी होगे, तो उतना वो उनको पता है, मतलब वो ऐसे सठियाएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि उतनी जिंदगी हो चुकी है, उनको काफी गहराइयों से और दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से उस चीज को देखने को, किसी चीज को चाहने को भी वो समझ सकते हैं दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से। ना सिंपल कोई चीज पसंद आई और चाह नहीं मिल रही उससे, वो फिर कैलकुलेशन में बिठा रहे हैं अपने दिमाग में, फिर वो देख रहे हैं कि भाई दुनिया में हमने इससे पहले 400 चीजें भी तो चाहिए हैं। तो तुम्हारे पास एक रेंज ऑफ एक्सपीरियंशियल विजडम है। तुम क्या कर रहे हो? टारगेट कर रहे हो 18 साल के बच्चों को, 19 साल के बच्चों को, और फिर भाई उनको भयंकर लेवल पे एक एक्सट्रीम में तुम चकाचौंध दिखा दे रहे हो। उन्हें तुम लॉन्ग टर्म थिंकिंग, लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग अगेन नीचे रैंक करते हैं 18-19 साल के बच्चे। क्यों? क्योंकि अगेन तुम्हारा प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स जो बहुत बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, पूरा तुम्हारा ये प्रीफ्रंटल, तुम्हारा जितना भी सिस्टम होता है रिस्पॉन्सिबल है बहुत सारे होस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स के लिए। ये डेवलप ही नहीं हुआ है।
Never paid me. I've never taken.
But someone
money.
has.
No.
There's a record of it somewhere.
Of me taking money?
Yes, in order to do something.
No, I haven't.
Like not the,
उसने मना कर दिया, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं तो तुमने कभी तो पैसा लिया ही होगा ना। प्लीज मेरे आर्गुमेंट को पूरा करने दो यार। मेरा आर्गुमेंट अगर तुम हाँ कहते हो कि तुमने हाँ कभी जिंदगी में किसी से पैसा लिया है, तो मेरा आर्गुमेंट सही हो जाएगा कि मैं इसलिए ये काम जो कर रहा हूँ ये सही है।
like not.
How do you make
not
money?
I haven't. I've yet to take a sponsorship.
I think what you do
And
is,
even
is
if-
amazing. I think it's amazing, but
No,
everyone
but I
whores
think what you do
themselves
is
out.
despicable, and I think maybe you're a bad guy.
Yeah.
There's not a common factor for us to agree on. I'm saying I'm not very religious Jewish guy. Obviously, you're not either. I mean, you have tattoos, but there's obviously two different levels from what you're doing. Tattoos.
Beautiful. There are levels. Yeah.
It's a
It's
different
about
thing.
it's about perspective, because there's pimps that pimp women out on the street, but instead
So you're comparing yourself.
There is Russian mafia. पता है रशियन माफिया क्या करता है? Compared to Russian mafia, I am better. लाइफ में सोचो तुम्हारी वॉकिंग डेफिनेशन ये होती तुम्हारे बारे में कि मैं एक अच्छा इंसान हूं। क्यों? क्योंकि दुनिया का सबसे वर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं बोको हराम। आईसीएस ने क्या किया था लड़कियों के साथ, उसके कंपैरिजन में जो मैं कर रहा हूं यार, आदमी कहेगा हाँ यार सही बात है यार, ये जो हमें अभी जुर्मी लग रहा था, जालिम इंसान जो लग रहा था, ये अब लेकिन हाँ अब मुझे लग रहा है तू एक्चुअली में बहुत सही है यार।
To pimps.
no people
Not a
compare
very high level to
managers.
be
People
on.
compare managers to pimps.
अबे वर्ड चेंज कर दो, डेफिनेशन थोड़ी बदल जाती है।
But yeah, it's very comparable thing.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
1 second, Sneeko.
So my point is, a manager of anything, an artist, OnlyFans,
No, it's
is
completely separate.
prevent.
Artists, OnlyFans, again, false equivalency. They're two different things. You're talking about a porn star and an artist जो अपनी आर्ट पे काम कर रहा है, जिसके लिए उसने acquire किया एक स्किल और पीछे बैक्ड है टैलेंट से, और वो परस्यूट है क्रिएटिव।
preventing people from doing the things that they would otherwise do. These women in this room, maybe if they were desperate, I'm not sure, would possibly go out in the street and sell their bodies, but instead they take.
How do you know that? मैं चीज को डिफर अगेन मैं कहूंगा कॉमन सबसे तुम्हारा लोएस्ट डिनोमिनेटर देखो और उसके बेसिस पे मैं बेहतर हूं, और वो भी क्या इमेजिन्ड है, थियोराइज्ड है।
take pictures of themselves and sell it on
that's
the
a
internet.
fallacy. You can't use the point that since they could be doing something, they would be doing that, and you're the savior for them. You're not making a good point.
The
You can't-
comparison is it's better.
No, that's not a comparison.
That's not, yeah, exactly. Anything, then breathing is better because somebody, किसी को रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम है और वो वेंटिलेटर के अंदर है। तो दुनिया में एनीथिंग, दुनिया के सबसे खराब इंसान भी जो शायद किसी ऐसी स्टेट में रह रहा हो जिसके बिल्कुल परखच्चे होने से दिखी के, वो किसी ना किसी से तो बेटर ही है ना। तुम कोई ना कोई पैरेलल ड्रॉ तो कर ही सकते हो बेटर वर्ड को, अगर तुम्हें सिंपल इंट्रोड्यूस करना है या फोर्स करना है डाउन समबडीज थ्रोट.
Listen, you're acting as if they only have one job outside of that. That's a fallacy. That's not how it works. They could be doing.
Would you still do these things?
इसको हम ऑपोजिट भी कर सकते हैं. They could have been a doctor, they could have been engineers, they could have been designers, they could have been fashion designers, they could have been interior designers, they could have been, you know, तुम्हारा स्टिचिंग जो होता है, चिकन वर्क है, समथिंग, कुछ भी स्किल सीख सकते थे वो, कुछ भी कर सकते थे. There were 8 billion से लेके 8 million से लेके 800 possibilities, combinations and something जो इंसान कर सकता है अपनी जिंदगी में.
That you do if you didn't have
I don't-
like these cameras and the microphones?
I do the same thing. I make basically no money off this. I get paid maybe like $100 of ad revenue, which I mean I've spent a lot more money on this than I've made.
Okay.
So I'm just saying there's obviously a clear difference between you and me. Plus, you're using a fallacy by saying that they would be prostitutes essentially if they weren't doing this. But I think that's just not a fair
कहाँ से? Where did you draw this conclusion, my guy?
argument, considering there's a lot of people who've turned to this who weren't prostitutes. They have enough money to the point where they don't need to be prostitutes. This is a lot easier than that.
Precisely. That would have been a much better argument कि भाई I actually saved somebody. So कोई, you know, let's say trafficking से कोई victim था उसका और वो इस इंडस्ट्री में थे और वो उस इंडस्ट्री में बहुत अनहाइजीनिक प्रैक्टिसेस थी, डिजीज था, ये सब था, वो सब था, अब्यूज था, वो सब था, और मैं उस इंसान को वहां से निकाल के उसको मैंने वीडियो कैमरे पे रख के सेव कर दिया फ्रॉम 800 फिजिकल प्रैक्टिसेस. और आज इंसान काम एसेंशियली डिफरेंट ही कर रहा है, बट एरिया सेम है, धंधा सेम है, लेकिन मच सेफर है इंसान. तो मैं काइंड ऑफ रिहैबिलिटेशन वाला काम कर रहा हूं जहां पे इंसान को मैं उस चीज से निकाल के ऑटोनॉमी प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं ताकि वो सेफ रहे.
So
It's a much better argument than what he's making, which he's not making.
they could be doing a billion other things.
100%.
I can hear you now. Hold on.
He's like 17, ये लौंडा.
Is he on the? Is this? What do you say? I've been a little bit busy. I'm shooting my own show, but I haven't released anything yet. He's just saying that if they're not selling their bodies online, that they would be forced into prostitution, which I mean obviously isn't the case. They could get a million other jobs, and he's just.
They don't even look like. I'm pretty sure they don't. They come from good families and shit. I mean, वो खुद ही बता रही है उसका भाई जो है, I think he's a very famous streamer. So she comes from money. अब उसका भाई is earning. So I don't think the possibility जो है adverse या worst case possibility की prostitution ये सब, I don't think that exists.
Here, but well, maybe you can hear me. I don't know if he has the headset on. Well, I mean, he's just saying that if they weren't doing this, they would be forced into prostitution, which I just disagree with.
Are there women there?
Yeah.
There's women here.
Yes.
Why is the voice echoing?
Is Zerka's bitch there?
No.
Oh,
I'm just
Wait, so Miskif's sister, you're dating Zerka?
No.
No, I'm just fucking.
Where is this rumor coming up?
I thought we were fucking.
No. Don't clip this. No.
No, I don't. We have not fucked. I thought we're
I don't
planning.
even understand. So she has a famous streamer brother. Just from a societies, I don't understand American society. I really don't. Because अगर इंडिया में ये हो रहा होता, सोचो तुम्हारी बहन, I mean famous तुम कोई यूट्यूबर हो और तुम्हारी बहन के बारे में कोई ये बात कर रहा है चैट पे.
No.
No, I'm just fucking.
Where is this rumor coming up?
I thought we were fucking.
No.
Imagine.
Don't clip
I-
this.
Not like apart from the कि तुम्हारी बहन, you know, is doing fucking OnlyFans basically, porn, but somebody talking to your family like that, and it's like a cool thing. This society, in my eyes, is a very fucked society. I wouldn't say society in general, but this जो part है ना, ये this whole fucking thing, it's very hard for me to at least wrap my head around it. From a logical, commonsensical perspective, even though अगर मैं cultural अपनी चीज़ें completely हटा के मैं घुसा दे रहा हूँ इसमें कि तब भी there's something wrong with it, like intrinsically wrong with it. Like एक basic common human decency and human respect नहीं है.
No.
No, I don't. We have not fucked. I thought we're planning to.
That's
Where?
crazy. She just like
Wait,
a wild
wait,
like
Where- where
wait.
is it said?
Is that Sudiko? Is that the guy who the other guy? What's his name? Nick? Is he there? You know, if he wants to come
No.
by and
I'm not
Wait,
sure
that-
what you're streaming on, but he's probably been on it, so no, that's not him.
kick, I'm on kick. Stop that shit.
The guy, he's like an evil Jewish guy. I just want to give you a little warning.
Oh boy.
No, I'm
no.
Jewish too. I'm not being anti-Semitic. I'm just saying this is like he's like an OnlyFans manager because he wasn't like big enough to be a security guy. I don't know. I'm just saying.
He just roasted him.
How old are
So
you?
wait,
Why is that part of the conversation?
I'm just asking.
Yeah.
I would.
Oh, let me go.
I'll take a. I won't answer that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
good job.
They're looking for a way to basically तुम्हारा condescend him. या कोई ऐसा point मिले जिसको लेके they could put his entire, you know, तुम्हारा sum total of arguments down.
But Tom, what's the difference between an evil Jewish man and a good Jewish man? Because you struck me as a good Jewish man.
I mean, I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know. I'm not Jewish. I'm asking you. You did. You made a
Ask
difference.
that
can
question to
answer that.
Zerka. What's that?
I can answer that easily. What
Nah,
ask me
Zerka,
again?
what's the difference between the Jews?
Jew is when they haven't told you they're a Jew yet. Cool ones, because we can manipulate you.
Okay, well, you guys, you tell me a little bit about yourselves. How you got into OnlyFans, I guess.
Yeah. How did
don't-
you
you
get
don't
into
talk?
selling your? How did you get into selling your
English?
soul?
I do.
Okay.
Yes.
You
Are-
go first.
Like fluent
Okay.
or not? Not at all.
I do. I speak Spanish and English.
Okay.
So you want to know how I got into
How do you
OnlyFans?
say? How do you say I sold my soul in Spanish?
Jesus, who is this fucking moron?
This guy looks like a Jewish Hasanabi.
I don't.
It's
I
a
don't
good point. He
support
looks
him.
just like him.
I don't support him.
No, but you look like him.
I understand.
He's.
I mean,
he's
he supports
handsome.
you.
I didn't say he's handsome. I didn't
He's
say you're
obviously
handsome.
Do you think I
Hassan's a
am?
little. Gay.
No, I wouldn't say
Hassan.
so.
Hassan is a homosexual.
Hassan is the most.
So this, I'll tell you one thing before I end this. This is the type of guy who wants to insert himself in every fucking conversation by saying the most shocking fucking thing. That's it. So you can always identify. ये है कि भैया attention मुझे चाहिए. अब मैं आ गया हूँ यहाँ पे तो मैं सबसे horror like it was this motherfucker is asking such good questions. Basically जो कि conversation को respectfully आगे लेके जाते हैं and then he through at least common sense or his own opinions जो disrespect नहीं कर रहे straight forward बता रहे हैं ये मेरा stand है. He at least is having the conversation. The second this motherfucker came in, conversation just derailed. अब वो insult पे चली गई, demeaning पे चली गई. जब किसी को तुम डिमीन कर रहे हो चाहे किसी को तुम्हारी इंटेंशन भी हो कि बताना कि भाई हम अग्री नहीं करते, तुम कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि तुमने उनको इंसल्ट कर दिया है. कौन इंसान फिर कहेगा भाई हम सुनने तो किसी की नहीं है दुनिया में. एट दी एंड सब अपनी खोपड़ी पे तो अपने आप को भैया अपना तो भगवान ही समझते हैं ना भाई. कोई किसी की सुनने थोड़ी आया. आदमी कहेगा हटाओ, फिर आदमी चेकआउट कर जाता है साइकोलॉजिकली.